and namaskar, the Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. LG of UT Ladakh Vinay Kumar Saxena today visited the university campus at Taru, where he viewed academic research and infrastructure facilities and interacted with the faculty and students. The LGs accorded a warm welcome by Vice Chancellor Professor Saket Kushwaha, Administrative Secretary Higher Education Srimati Bhanu Prabha, and faculty members also. During his visit, the LG Saxena planted a sapling under the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam initiative, retweeting his commitment to environmental conservation. He visited the Central Library and Artificial Intelligence Data Center and also inspected the exhibition stalls showcasing locally developed agricultural and technological products, including medicinal plants and millet-based items. At the Awadh Center, the LG witnessed a demonstration of Ladakh-specific modeling and space application, that is LAMA, along with a presentation by the students of the Forensic Science Laboratory, who demonstrated samples collection, mapping, and on-the-spot testing techniques. A delegation of PhD scholars led by the Dr. Thinleys Norbu, president of the ASHUL, called on Ashish Kundra, Chief Secretary of the UT Ladakh, to express their sincere gratitude for facilitating the long-pending transfer of Krishi Vigyan Kendras, that is KVKs, in Ladakh from SKUAST Kashmir to the University of Ladakh. During their first meeting with the Chief Secretary, the ASHUL representatives assured that the long-pending KVK's transfer would be completed and the sanctioned post would be filled at the earliest. The delegation also expressed their appreciation for the Chief Secretary's swift approval of the KVK transfer file within a single day and thanked the LG for approving the same file within a day from his office. The delegation requested the early recruitment for the sanction post in both KVKs as well as in the School Agriculture, Science and Technology at Leh and Kargil campuses of the University of Ladakh. More than 50 students and teachers from Mahabodhi School visited the Hall of Fame in Leh as a part of Indian Army outreach under the Know Your Army program, aimed at familiarizing young learners with the legacy and functioning of the armed forces. The visit, organized by the Indian Army, included a guided tour of the Hall of Fame and the adjoining equipment display area, where participants were briefed on the evolution of the Army and its operational role in securing the country's high-altitude frontiers, particularly in Ladakh. Army personnel explained the strategic importance of the region and the challenges faced by the troops deployed in harsh climate conditions. Students interacted with the Army personnel and introduced to aspects of the military life, including discipline, training and service conditions in the forward areas. Teachers accompanying the students said the exposure would contribute to a better understanding of the national security and civic responsibility among the youth also. A fresh spell of rain and snowfall is expected to sweep across the parts of Ladakh over the next 2 days, with authorities cautioning about possible avalanches and disruptions to both road and air connectivity, according to an official update issued by the Meteorological Center in Leh on today morning. Weather conditions, which remained cloudy across Kargil district and fair to partly cloudy elsewhere, are likely to deteriorate as precipitation is expected to begin along the Zojila and Dras axis by today evening. The system is projected to intensify through April 7 and 8, bringing light to moderate rain and snowfall at scattered locations in Kargil and Zanskar region also, while isolated areas of Leh district may also receive precipitation. The advisory further warned that the fresh snowfall and rain could trigger avalanches in vulnerable stretches, particularly around the Zojila and Shinkula, prompting authorities to urge caution among commuters and residents. In addition to road disruptions, there is also a low, moderate likelihood of flight cancellations on April 8 due to adverse weather conditions. Authorities have urged people to stay updated with real-time weather and road status information, stressing that precautionary measures are essential in Ladakh's high-altitude regions, terrains where sudden weather challenges and significantly impact mobility and safety. Admit cards for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test, that is JNVST 2026, for admission to class 6 have been released. The Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Leh announced the notification. The examination is slated to be conducted on April 11, 2026 across the designated centers. According to an official press note issued by the school administration, candidates who have registered for the selection test can download their admit cards from the official Navodaya Vidyalaya website. The release of hall tickets marks the final stage ahead of the entrance examination for one of the country's residential schooling system under the Ministry of Education. School authorities have advised the candidates to access and verify their admit cards well in advance to avoid last-minute technical or logistic difficulties. The institution has also opened a facilitation window for the students and parents also seeking clarification regarding the examination process. For assistance, the candidates may contact the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Leh during working hours between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on working days, the notification stated. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thanks for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.
The reason I chose SP Smart School is because it prepared me for my boards examination as well as for my competitive examinations. The previous year results have been a testament of this statement. With over 18 positions, 700 distinctions and the UT topper being from our school is our huge pride. The results of the competitive examinations have also been commendable. The students who are not a part of SP Smart School program have no idea what they are missing out on.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, GE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.